Hello my friend, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing and awesome and easy Dollar Tree gifts that you can make this holiday season for all of your needs. Let's go ahead and jump right in. These gift ideas are super perfect for literally anyone in your life, whether it's a teacher, your neighbor, your friend, literally anyone. You can see I have here the tree sets from Dollar Tree. This set is super cute. They have this out right now and I really do love the prints on it. I did pick up one of each of the sets, but of course you can, you know, grab 2 or 3 for this little gift idea. But I'm going to stack them on top of each other, and then I'm going to place down the kitchen towel right inside of the bowl, and then I'm going to place down the cup right on top. And this also serves as a nice look, not only a nice look, but it does protect the cup a little bit more against that bowl. Being that everything is glass, you know, it does give it a little bit of protection. So what I want to do to hold everything together is I want to take this beautiful gold ribbon. This is also from Dollar Tree, and you are going to want to need a really thick one like this one, because we are going to tie everything together using this ribbon. Now for the first strip, I am going to just double knot it, and I'm going to cut off those ends and then make another strip going the opposite direction, and that is gonna where we're gonna create a bow for the top of this gift. And with the 2 strips of this nice thick ribbon, it's going to hold everything together, so you can easily just gift it like that as it is, and you can hold it with the ribbon as well. Trust me, I did test it. And it holds together really nicely, and you can just hand it to whoever you would like, just like this. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now of course you can use whatever color ribbon you want and whatever plate set that you want, but I think this looks really beautiful and it's really easy to come together, and I'm pretty sure anyone that you give it to would love this, because I absolutely love it. And as you can see here, I did add a little gift tag as well. This is from Dollar Tree, and I thought it would just really finish it off with that gift tag right at the top where the bow is. And once I played with it a little bit to fluff up the bow, you can see just how pretty this gift turned out. Really stunning, my friend, and I would absolutely love to receive this as a gift. And once again, this can be gifted to anyone. You must let me know what you think and if you would give this a try. Moving along, my friend, I have here these 2, well, I have one right now, but I am going to make 2 of these gift sets. I do have one of these clear jars that you can get from Dollar Tree. Is perfect as a gift, because the person you gift it to can take everything out and use it as a regular cup for whatever drink they would like, of course. And you can see there that I placed down a sticker to the front using some Christmas stickers that I got. I believe those are from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they have them this year, because I did get those last year. But then inside I did place down some hot cocoa, and then I have this really pretty pair of socks from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna roll one of them up so I can place it down inside, and you'll see just right now why I saved the other sock in just a minute. But I'm gonna keep filling up this cup. I do have these peppermint spoons, and you do have to cut them off one by one, and the corners are a little bit sharp, so I try to just round them out a little bit more, because you don't want to poke anyone or cut anyone that you gifted to. And then I do add a candy cane as well. And with the other sock, I'm going to go on the handle of the cup, and I'm going to make a nice bow with it. And it is a little bit tricky because they are thick, but you just want to stretch them out just a little bit, just stretch it a little bit, and it should be fine. You can see right there it makes a nice little bow, which I think is super cute because you don't have to, use any excess ribbon, and it's just something a little different. I did also add a little ornament, red ornament to the side to hang off, just to give it some decoration. And I did fill it with some of this filler because it does tie in with the pink that's on the sticker, and you can see how pretty and easy these are. And I once again would love to receive this as a gift. Of course, is the thought that counts, and these are, like I said, perfect for a neighbor, a friend, or a teacher, and they come together super easy. And you can see how cute the bows look as the socks, and I just love it. You would have to let me know what you think. Speaking of all things gifts this holiday season, if you know someone who loves the outdoors, nature, and all of that good stuff, like myself, because I know I love to use binoculars and watch stuff outside, and I love being outdoors. So if you know someone who is just like that, then this is the perfect gift for them, my friend. And I knew I had to do this partnership with Vizio Gear, so thank you so much for partnering with me for this video. You can see this is a quick little unboxing. It comes with literally everything you need. Here is a little cleaning cloth. You have the USB, a clip-on strap to hold your binoculars in its little case, which is really convenient. It also comes with an SD card, so you don't even have to worry about getting one when you gift this to someone. It already comes with it along with the charger there. It has the manual as well, and you can see just how beautiful these binoculars look. Now these are perfect for night vision. It is 4K. You can see how nice it is when it turns on, and you can adjust the buttons and all the settings. That once again, it does come with the manual, so you can read through it once you get them, or whoever you gift them to. But you can see all of the goodies that it comes with and how it looks and everything like that. Again, it is in 4K night vision binoculars, and you can just see how crisp and clean each of the images look. And you can take recordings, so you can take videos or photos on these binoculars, which is amazing because you can just easily upload them to wherever you would like. And yeah, I really love these binoculars, and I hope you check them out. They do have a sale going on right now, and you are going to get an extra 20% off using my code, and all of that will be in the description box below. So you would have to go check it out once you are done watching my video, because you're not going to want to miss on this perfect gift. I'm sure you know someone who would love these as much as I do because they are amazing. With that being said, my friend, let's move on to the next gift idea. I have this beautiful kitchen cloth. This one is really pretty, that says joy, along with that snowman mug. This is really jumbo and perfect for, the cozy season, to drink hot cocoa, tea. So I'm going to add the towel right down inside, and keep in mind it is big enough so you can place down a good amount of stuff in here. I am going to go in with some hot cocoa as well and place that down. But keep in mind, my friend, you can adjust these gift ideas and make it to your liking. You can put tea inside or whatever you would like to gift. This is just to give you an idea of something that you can put together fairly quickly and last minute as well. I did decide to also add in a pair of gloves. I just rolled them up and placed them down inside of this mug just to fill in the space that was there. And then I'm also going to add one of these gift tags, and I just hung it on the candy cane so I don't have to use any tape or anything like that. I just hung it right on top, and there you have it, a sweet and simple gift for whoever in your life. And it's just really thoughtful and really nice. I love the mug. The mug is really adorable, and they do have them out in Dollar Tree right now, so you're gonna want to check them out to pick these up. Next up, my friend, this one has to be my favorite from today. I have these little nutcrackers that you can get from Dollar Tree. These are so pretty and I really love them in the colors that they already are. They do have them in different color patterns as well if you decide. I'm just going to place them down on this glass plate. This is from Dollar Tree as well, and they always have these. And you can literally use whatever plate. You can get one that's more festive if you wanted, but I just wanted to go with clear, and I'm just going to glue them down to the bottom of this plate. And as you saw there, I did use a little bit of hot glue along with some E6000 because I wanted to be really strong. And you want it to be really strong because we are going to actually use this to place down stuff. And once those are glued down, I am going to take this rope here from Dollar Tree because I want to wrap it around each of the nutcrackers at the top. This is going to give it some extra stability, but also just, you know, make it look nicer as well. In my opinion, it just finishes it off really well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And if you didn't want to use this brown one, they do sell them in white if you wanted that instead. And if you made it this far into my video, it is now time for our secret word for the day. For today, it's going to be Christmas. So if you made it this far, I will know by you commenting that word down below in the comment section. And thank you so much for making it this far and for staying this far and hanging out with me. It really does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much. And once that is done, you can see just how beautiful and stunning this DIY turned out. And you can easily see why it's one of my favorites from today because it is just so beautiful and I love it. You can literally place anything on top of here. You can see I have some little cupcakes, and this would be super cute to have as you know, if you have a gathering for the holidays, or of course as a gift to give this to someone. I think you can place it in a nice gift basket bag that they sell at Dollar Tree, the clear ones, and it would look really beautiful with a bow on top. And of course you can gift it with some cookies right inside as well, which would be awesome. And I just love this one. You would have to let me know what you think and which one was your favorite from today. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family, because I would love to have you, and that way you won't miss out on any of my videos. I post once a week. And with that being said, my friends, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you on the next one. Take care and God bless.